What's up, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. It's that time of the month again where I bring you guys the top 5 winning dropshipping products of September 2025. Q4 is when dropshippers make the most amount of money, and it's because people are more willing to spend because of the holidays. But the key is to not start testing products when Q4 hits, but to start testing prior. So if you're excited for the video, make sure you drop a like, subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. And if you're a complete beginner to dropshipping and you want to learn from myself and you want to join the best possible program for beginners looking to get started with dropshipping, I want you to go down to the description and check out Unlimited Ecom Academy. Now, without further ado, let's not waste up any more of your time. Let's jump right into product number 1. All right, you guys, so hopping into product number 1, and I'm already coming at it with an absolute banger, guys. Okay, I'm not here to give you guys cheap products. I'm here to give you products that you can create a sustainable brand with. So this right here is a magnetic eyelash kit. Okay, it comes with this little case, it has a mirror, it comes with the 2 eyelashes and this little applicator. And I've asked my wife about this. So apparently eyelashes are a pain in the ass to put on because you have to put the eyelash glue. Sometimes the glue gets into your eyes get irritated. These are all angles, by the way, that you can use to sell this product. But basically you put the magnetic eyelashes on this device, you clamp it, and it goes on in seconds, okay? So really cool product, definitely something that women would purchase. As you can see, there is a proof of concept here. There's 1,000 units sold. There's tons of images here that you can use, and there's a lot of different eyelashes, okay? So there's different styles, some are more bushier, some are more curlier. Like, I'm not sure the details of this, okay, but you can do your own research. This product is definitely selling. So let's go ahead and confirm the sales just so you know that I'm not BSing you guys. So this right here is a company called Shapewear, who's the competitor we're gonna be checking out today. They're doing $2,500 a day, $16K a week, and $83,000 a month. So for the competitor's video ad, I can't play it because it does have copyrighted music, but I'm gonna just let it play without the music. It says magnetic lashes without glue, no damage to your natural lashes. You can see her apply it and see how much more like longer and bushier they are. You can easily rip them right off. A fantastic product, okay? Something that you can definitely show a lot of before and afters, how easy it is to use, really get into that pain point of the eyelash glue. There's tons of things that you can do for this type of product. And if we check out the competitor's site, you can see they're running a buy one, get one free, includes free applicator. The applicator already comes included, but that's a thing that you can do with your offer, is make it seem like it's coming for free when in fact it actually isn't. Very smart. They're doing it for $34.95. They're doing a buy 4, get 2 free as well, because people are gonna want multiples of this type of product, which makes it so great. And if we come back to the AliExpress link, we're only getting this for $4.13. So there's definitely plenty of margin for you to be able to do a buy one, get one free offer. They have gifts showcasing exactly how to apply the product. Their copy's on point. They have before and afters. They also have tons of testimonials of other people with the eyelashes on, which is going to be very key for someone that wants to purchase something like this. And then they have this frequently bought together section, which is a great way to be able to boost that AOV by offering other complementary products to your main product. Now, really quickly, I want to interrupt today's video because I'm giving you all these amazing products, but how are you going to be able to sell them if you don't have a reliable dropshipping supplier? Which brings me into the sponsor of today's video, AutoDS. AutoDS is an amazing dropshipping platform with a catalog of thousands of different dropshipping products. I don't think I've ever had a problem sourcing anything from AutoDS. They've always had every product that I've wanted to sell. Now, if we check out some of the shipping times on some of these products, and I'm just going to pick some at random, but 5 business days, 2 to 10 business days, 5 business days, 14 business days. It's a lot faster than what you're going to get from AliExpress. So that way you can have a great customer experience. So I typed in magnetic eyelashes because that's the product I just showed you guys. And if you see right here, here is a product that looks similar to what we just saw. And we're gonna get it for $3.99 with 7 business day shipping times, which is insane. And the amazing thing about AutoDS is I can do my product research right from AutoDS. And once I find a product, all I have to do is just click on import draft. And that's already gonna start the process of putting this right on my Shopify store. So if you wanna try out AutoDS for yourself, I actually have a special deal with them that's gonna allow you to try this for only $1. You can try this for 30 days for $1. See if you like it. If you don't, cool, but I know you're going to, because you're gonna need a reliable dropshipping supplier if you wanna have a successful business. So try it out. Let me know what you think. It's going to be the top link in the description. All right, guys, hopping into product number 2, we have these women's hair clips. Okay, and you're probably thinking, what's so special about a hair clip? How does this solve any type of problem? Well, one, these are going crazy on TikTok Shop, but two, it allows you to be able to lay down when you have your hair clip in. If you lay down, if a woman lays down, it kind of like presses here and it hurts. Okay, so that's number one. And number two, they can't break as easy. Okay, so most of them are plastic, so you can just break them if you were to step on them or if you were to, pull it the wrong way. These are more of a rubber material from what I can tell. And that's kind of the angle that these competitors are taking. So what I love about this product is that women are going to want more than one. They're going to want every color. So you can do like either a buy one, get one free, buy two, get one free, or you can do like a bundle deal and, have it for, $30, whatever the case may be. So as you can see, you're going to get the product for around $3.12. And this is for a 4-piece set, by the way. Okay. So the margins are definitely there. It comes in a ton of different colors, as you can see. And let's go ahead and hop right into the competitors' video ad so that we can get more of a gist of how this product works. All right, so the company we're going to be checking out is called the Flexi Clip. This is a fairly new brand. They have 3,600 followers. I'm going to be clear, my wife bought this product. I don't think she bought it from here. I think she bought it from TikTok Shop, but I know this product sells. So I'm going to play this video right here that has 817,000 views in one day. It's literally August 29th when I'm recording this, okay? So one day ago, it already has 800,000 views and tons of people asking where to purchase the product. So let's check this out. As you can see, the problem is leaning back or laying down. They show the solution that it's rubber. You can step on it, it won't break. You can also lay back and still be comfortable. There's tons of different marketing angles that you can do with something like this. So let's go ahead and confirm the sales. Okay, like I said, this is a fairly new company. They just started like the end of last month, and they're doing about $600 a day, $3,400 a week, and $14K a month. And like I said, these are crushing on TikTok Shop as well. So I recommend taking this product off of TikTok, finding videos, creating your own ads, and running it on Meta. So if we check out the competitor's website, very simple, definitely a drop shipping store. They have 3 different colors here. Maybe you offer more colors if you're coming in trying to sell this product. They're offering priority processing, lifetime warranty, which is pretty cool, help boost that AOV. They're doing a 3-pack where you buy 2, get 1 free. They're doing a 5-pack where you can buy 3 and get 2 free. But look at the prices on this. If people were to buy this, you're literally getting the product for a few dollars. The margins are absolutely insane. So their product is pretty basic. I probably would have had gifts here showing like, you squeezing the product and showing that it's not going to break. Like here, I definitely would have had that here. A lot of people don't want to see static images, guys. They want to see GIFs of the product being used. But all in all, this isn't a bad product page. Pretty standard for a dropshipping store. Has a lot of the same kind of layouts as a lot of the other stores out there. So do keep that in mind when you're creating your store, to try to stand out by having a different type of layout so that way you don't look like every other dropshipping store out there. They do have some reviews here on the bottom, which is fantastic. But again, this is a great product. Definitely see a lot of demand here. Women would definitely buy something like this. Let me know if this is a product that you may test. Hopping into product number 3. Now this product is so unique and solves a massive problem. Definitely something you can sell for years on years to come. So this right here is an inflatable pregnancy pillow, okay? So pregnancy pillows are usually in the U shape and women can, sleep more comfortably on their left or right side. But with this product, it actually has an insert for the woman's stomach so she can lay on her stomach, which obviously, if you're pregnant, you can't lay on your stomach at all. But this product changes it, which is crazy, okay? So this is more of a higher ticket type of product. So as you can see, $48.20 is the product cost. But you can sell this product upwards of $100. I have 2 kids of my own, so I've bought pregnancy pillows for my wife, and they're not cheap products, okay? So you can upcharge this and make a good profit on a product like this, okay? So as you can see, it has total sales of 1,000 plus, so definitely there's some demand. The company that I'm going to be showing you is crushing it with this product, and it also has a 4.9 star rating, so that lets you know that the product is actually usable and works. So the company we're going to be checking out is called Bee, and as you can see, they're doing about 4K a day, 42K a week, and $315,000 a month with this product. All right, so if you check out the competitor's video ad, it says pregnant ladies who miss sleeping on their stomach, check this out. This mattress has an opening for the baby bump, and it just shows like how cool this actually is. There's actually a spot for your face as well. I'm not sure how comfortable that would be. I like sleeping on my side, but all in all, this is definitely something where you can have tons of different pain points tons of different marketing angles that you can target for this, and I know for a fact this will crush. So if we head over to their site, like we saw, they're doing over 300K. So obviously this product is working. They're calling this the Tummy Nest Pregnancy Mattress. It's got 22,000 reviews. Not sure how true that is. But as you can see, they have the same colors from AliExpress. So all they did was probably throw this into ChatGPT, create some new images, but they're branding this fairly well, charging $99. Comfortable, pain-free belly rest. You can see a GIF here of a woman using it. There are actually slots for your hand as well. That's actually pretty cool, okay? So just showcasing the product, another GIF. Again, people do not want to see images. They want to see your product in action. They're doing a fantastic job of showcasing exactly why this product will be beneficial. Also, what they're offered, they're doing a free ebook with every purchase. So basically a $19 back and hip pain relief ebook, which again, just boost that perceived value. So either doing buy one, get one free, or offering a gift, or doing an ebook. These are things that's going to help your offer stand out from the competition. And then they ended off with some reviews. So you can see these are actual real reviews because you can tell by the branding of the packaging, but very cool. Definitely a unique product and something where I haven't seen too many competitors hop into this. So let me know if this is a product that you're interested in testing, and let's move on to product number 4. Product number 4 needs no explanation. It's literally a bra, okay? A lot of you guys overthink the winning product process because you think you need to have this grand product, and it's nice to have a problem-solving product, but you can really get into the insecurities when it comes to this type of product right here. And that's because the way the competitor is actually advertising it, they're advertising it towards like belly fat. It keeps the side belly fat like tucked in, I guess you could say. It's also non-slip, so on and so forth, okay? So huge customer base. Every woman needs them. It's a commodity. You're gonna get the product for $12.73. And like Shapewear, you'll get it for a fairly inexpensive price. And you can run buy one, get one free deals all day, every day. Comes in a beige, comes in black as well. This is just one listing. I'm sure you can find plenty of other colors. Now let's check out the competitor. So this competitor right here, the one that we're gonna be checking out, is doing about $1,500 a day with this product, about 10K a week, and 44K a month. And if we check out their site, it's terrible. You can literally come in and brand this so much better. So they sell a lot of women care products, but like, look at their site, size chart. This is actually pretty funny. Pretty funny, but as you can see, they're kind of like showing that the back fat will be tucked in with their bra. That's kind of the angle that you could take with this product to kind of have a insecurity solving type of product. But I wanted to show you the website first because it's not that great at all. There's nothing really to show here, and they don't even have reviews. So if they're making pretty decent money, if you come in with a half decent store, you could definitely crush it with this. Now let's hop into their exact video ad. Now, if we check out the competitor's video ad, as you can see, she's showing the product. She's showing that it's not see-through. She jumps up and down to show that everything stays in place. It's non-slip, so it's not slipping up and down her body. Like, you get the point. It's a bra, okay? But this is definitely something that will consistently sell. You won't have a problem with it. You know, the product's not ever gonna die down. You can have underwear, you can have yoga pants, you can have the bras. Like, you can create a full-fledged brand around something like this. Now, the fifth and final product on today's list is definitely something that solves a massive problem, but it also is selling really well right now, okay? And you'll see that here in a second. So this right here is a dead skin mitt. That's what we're gonna call it because I don't know what else to call it. So you pretty much put this on your hand, you rub your skin before you get in the shower, remove all that dead skin, then you get into the shower, okay? Also, if you're somebody who, you know, gets really red and sunburns pretty easily, the next day when you have that dead skin, you start to peel, you can get all of that skin off with this type of product, okay? So before and afters are gonna be very key for this product. So as you can see, it comes in a white, comes in a black, comes in a pink, and it comes in a purple as well. You're gonna get the product for fairly inexpensive, $5.37, maybe even cheaper, who knows? But you can easily do a buy one, get one free with this type of product. Now, the company we're gonna be checking out is called Cheeky Glow, okay? And as you can see, they're doing about 11K a day with this product, 70K a week, and $396,000 a month. So let's check out the ad. It says, in case your mom didn't tell you how to exfoliate, soak body in warm water for 5 to 10 minutes, wet your glow. Okay, so you do it while you're in the shower, but you'll be able to remove all of that nasty dead skin. I believe they have like an oil that goes with it too, but before and afters are gonna be very key for this type of product. And yes, they do have an oil. So let's check out their site. It's called Cheeky Glow Exfoliating Glove. They're selling this for $22. They're doing a buy one or a buy two, get 15% off, buy three, get 25% off. And then they are make it a combo, get an extra 10% off if you add the peach body oil, okay? So let's check out some of the gifts. You can see rubbing off of the dead skin. It's a very easy product to understand, but it's literally the exact same product we just looked at on AliExpress, except they branded it with this cheeky glow thing here. So if we scroll down, as you can see, they have some before and afters here. If you're one of those ashy mofos, this product's for you. No, I'm just kidding. But anyways, they have some gifts showcasing the product, just showing you exactly how to use it. There's really not much to the site at all. They have some, little upsells here. It looks like they also sell this one as well, which is for the dead skin on your feet. And then they ended off with some reviews. So that's pretty much it for the product page. Now, this would probably work really well with, again, like some sort of oil, or as you can see, they have the dead skin device here. So something that has like a pedicure tool, like I've shown that in a couple top 5 videos as well. Other shaving type of products. So if you're selling like the electric women's shaver that's been going pretty viral, this would be a pretty good complement to that product, since they're kind of the same kind of deal. Exfoliate your skin, then you'd shave, like something like that. But this is definitely something that is obviously selling, and something you can come in and get a piece of that pie. And that wraps up the top 5 winning dropshipping products of September 2025. Remember guys, we are right around the corner from Q4, and right now is the perfect time to start preparing, start testing products, find that winning product, so that way you can roll into Q4 prepared. If you found this video valuable, I would greatly appreciate it if you could drop a like and subscribe to the channel, and also hit that notification bell so that way you don't miss next month's product list. And if you're still struggling with dropshipping, guys, make sure you check the description. I have tons of resources, guides, mentorship opportunities, everything that you need to become successful with dropshipping and avoid beginner mistakes. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for the support. It's greatly appreciated. And as always, I hope you guys have a good rest of your day or night whenever you're watching this video, and I'll see you guys next time.